I can't remember the name for summoning UFOs now. It's got like V G. It's like a weird name. I don't know why it's called that. It seems to be a new fad where like groups of people get together and they go out into like the Arizona desert and build a fire and get loads of deck chairs, and then they start summoning the UFOs, and apparently they show up. I think if that happened with me, I would instantly suspect human involvement as opposed to little green men. Of course, I'm not downplaying the fact that the little green men don't exist, i.e. extraterrestrials, because they do. I'm just saying, if you're summoning UFOs, why would it? Surely if extraterrestrials have come here in their craft, whether it's from a different dimension or from a longer distance away in the solar system or even beyond, surely they're here not to pander to the whims of a group of people in the desert summoning them. They've got more important pressing issues to be getting on with. So I would guess it would be humans in similar kind of craft to what the extraterrestrials use, and they're kind of playing along with these guys, these groups, and appearing because they have the technology to hear them, and so when they hear them, they then come along and say, "Oh, look, we've made an appearance for you. Aren't we brilliant, extraterrestrials?" And yet in them craft, they might not even be manned. Probably are, but I don't think they're manned by extraterrestrials. It's more likely going to be human agencies who have these craft in their possession and want to play games with the public to make them believe it's extraterrestrials when it's actually nothing more than human beings having acquired and then developed, or what's the word when you acquire something and then you, I can't remember the word now. But anyway, yeah, acquired and maybe developed the craft of their own based on the extraterrestrial craft that they've discovered or found or come across. So, bit of a deception. So these groups think it's extraterrestrials, whereas I would instantly think all that is up there is a human being taking the complete fucking piss out of you. Like, I don't want to burst your bubble, but I would almost guarantee that that's more likely to be a human inside that craft than an extraterrestrial, because I would imagine the extraterrestrials have got better things to be getting on with. I would imagine that if that's all you've got to do with your time as an extraterrestrial in a spacecraft is pander to the whims of these groups by just appearing at their beck and call, then that would be the point where you say to yourself, we've got to get back home and get on with more important stuff now, and they would have already pissed off. If they're still here, then they're probably still getting on with more what they need to be getting on with, and they haven't got time for that shit. Would be my personal theory. So I'll have a look online, see what the actual name for that group, them groups are. It's like a fancy name. I think it's like 3 letters or something. think it's something like G or D and a number or something. It's a helicopter. So now we've got a helicopter. Do we need to be airborne at 6 in the morning? On a Sunday morning? I don't know. Well, I can hear it, but I can't see it just yet. Well, there's definitely a helicopter somewhere over there. Gotta be a helicopter.